How to start a digital marketing agency. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with creating your own digital marketing agency. So let's get into it. Now, before I get into the different tips and tricks for a beginner that's just starting out their agency, I have one thing to say to everyone. With any kind of digital marketing agency, currently it is a trend to create one. I don't recommend creating it out of a whim. You definitely do need to have a level of expertise in it. Don't try to sell services you can't provide. So maintain your integrity because digital marketing is a very popular niche to enter. But a lot of these businesses that go to these smaller companies and they receive very bad services, it just puts out a bad word of mouth. And then in the future, more smaller companies, even those with good expertise, are going to try to get started with their own agency. They're not going to find work simply because a lot of the times these agencies are just trying to make a quick buck, and that really affects negatively on the overall industry. So, before you get into digital marketing, make sure you do know how digital marketing works. You do know the different services you can provide and the different progress analytical reports you should provide, the realistic marketing advice you can provide as well. So, let's get into the different services. Now, whenever you're looking to provide digital marketing services or create a agency, you need to have packages or services that you provide because a client, when they are going to come to you, they won't have any idea what digital marketing is. They just will know they need digital marketing. At best, most of them know about social media marketing, but that's around it. So a easy way to see the different niches is to just go onto any website and see the different categorizations of digital marketing. So you have search engine optimization, which is SEO. We talk a lot about SEO. And SEO optimization is probably one of the best ways to make money with digital marketing, but you need to have expert level tools. You need to have a good understanding of SEO. If you're someone that is looking to learn more about SEO and how to get started with SEO for clients, then you can use a tool like Ahrefs. Ahrefs really is good for, maintaining and, setting up your clients' SEO for their website. So you can use a free tool like that. They have, a few free tools, and the rest you can purchase it and start providing services to clients. You also have social media marketing. That is a little more easy to do. It is social media content needs to be generated, put on a calendar. You have social media calendar applications. Then more complicated digital marketing agency services are e-commerce marketing, email marketing, guest posting, affiliate marketing, PR, and text message marketing. So these are things, especially email marketing and SMS marketing goes hand in hand. You definitely want to be able to provide these services as well in correlation to social media marketing as well as affiliate marketing if you can do so. If you can't provide a specific service like affiliate marketing, or you don't know much about video marketing, then make sure you're letting the client know that you specialize in certain fields like SEO and social media, but video marketing is not the expert area, and you should give them results that are projective of growth from SEO and social media marketing. Then you just have some basic analytics and strategy, and then some industry specific services you might want to provide. Obviously, if someone is trying to promote a e-commerce store, your strategy for that is going to be very different than for someone that's trying to promote a charity organization. So you want to make sure that you're able to mold your style for a specific industry, or for a specific market. Now, what are some of the tools that can help you in simplifying your work? As I said, Ahrefs is a great tool to use for SEO. For digital marketing, elements that include visual elements like social media marketing, then you need to use something like Canva or any other digital design tool. You can use Figma, MS Presentations, or any other tool. Now, for video marketing, I definitely recommend for any kind of marketing services agency, you need to be good with Google Ads. Google Ads and Facebook Ads really help businesses grow and get their name out there. It's very essential that you know how to set up a client on Google Ads step by step. You need to do this because marketing, in terms of just optimizing SEO, can really not be that lucrative. If a business is coming to you, they need results and they need them quickly. So they will opt for something that is cohesive. So a little bit of everything is going to help get a brand name out there. So you definitely use something like Google Ads to create ads, and this is especially helpful because they give you a monthly budget. You can ask your client, we're going to run ads for you. This is what the cost of ads will be if you want to reduce it or increase it. This is the potential growth. Because Google Ads is a very detailed tool, it gives you projections as well as a lot of analytical information that you can convert into hard reports for your clients or for your customers. Now, moving on to the next thing is a Google business profile. A lot of businesses, when they come to you, might not have it. Even if they're an online business, they can still set up a Google business listing. This is very essential for, especially if you're getting clients that are not online. They provide in-store services, or they are, especially if they are service providers, those people have a more difficult time creating listings because you're not exactly sure, because we usually use Google business listings for stores, and that's not exactly the case. You can use it even for services. So make sure you're adding all services for that your client provides to the Google business listing and monitoring the success of your business listing as well. Now, other than that, you need to make sure that you are running Facebook ads. Now, Google ads are different, Facebook ads are different. So you can just search for Facebook ads, and you want to make sure you include, like, you have a basic package what you're charging your client for by yourself, and then you add the costs of Facebook and Google ads. You let them know this much is what is going towards your Google ads and this much is what is going towards your Facebook ads, simply because it helps your clients get a better understanding. Now, you might get a client that is out of your league in digital marketing. In that situation, if you really don't want to let the client know that this might be a little too much for you, you can hire people off of platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and that can help you in, making sure it's a lot easier for you, and all of the optimizations or all of the services that you're providing are completed timely and effectively. So I definitely do think that you can hire people like that. I don't recommend it, but in situations where you're not sure if you're going to get a project as large as this next time and you can't take on people permanently, for the beginning of your business, it is alright to hire a few freelancers here and there to boost up your productivity and to be able to get the maximum number of clients for your digital marketing agency. So these are some of the basics of getting started with a digital marketing agency. Just because it's trendy, don't try to get into it. Make sure you know what you're talking about before you start accepting clients. And I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to get started. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video.